Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert text into speech with imageupscaling.net. Ladies and gentlemen, imageupscaling.net. This is their homepage. We're going to go up to the top over here. There is a menu and you can see the text to speech. Right, so very simple layout. This is what I love about imageupscaling.net. You can literally see that it's straightforward, no complications, and it gives you exactly what you need. So let's go ahead and add some text. All right, so we got our text. Obviously, you can add in as much as you want over here, and there's a little window which you can extend with, and then you can choose your speed. You can also choose your language. So you can see here there are a few options, and then you're going to select a voice. So drop this, and here you can go ahead and select the voice. Now, to hear what it sounds like, go ahead, click on samples, and here you will see all of those voices. So you can go ahead and listen to one or two of them.
Once upon a time, in a world far, far into the future.
All right, let's listen to this one.
Once upon a time in a world.
All right, Adam, that sounds awesome. So let's go back up here, and we are going to look for Adam. Now, simply, all you have to do is click on send. Quickly and easily, here it is.
This app is really great for anyone that wants powerful, yet uncomplicated features.
All right, there we go. Quite simply, you can click on download. It'll download to your device. It's that simple.